Rick's doing a little insurance office. Not going to show very much, but
as you can see, it's taking up deep, dark stains. Okay. Just like it always does.
this looks like a glue down, but it's got a pad under it, so it's not a glue down.
Hold that door real quick, just for a second.
Kind of see, got a little ways to go. Okay, we're only pre-spraying a small area as we move around, so because the pre-spray will get absorbed. This can be hard to really show much in this one, just get a rough idea that we'd also do office buildings and stuff.
Well, the thing was really thin or glue down carpets where they soak up your pre-spray so quick you don't want to spray big areas because your pre-spray will soak up. So
yeah, so we have to
spray about half a room and then clean it and then spray the other half. It's just easier. It makes your pre-spray not dry out.
So that's what we're doing. Just a little tidbit, little snippet. I don't think I'll show too much in here, but give you a basic idea. We still have all this to do. A couple offices, and then the main room. We did half the room already, and then we moved the furniture over to the other half, but we haven't done this side at all. But anyway, that's what we're up to.
Pick it up.
Get this door real quick, hit the door and get along the wall there.
Okay.
When you're cleaning offices like this, you have to be a little delicate because sometimes there's papers on the floor and you don't want to get your pre-spray on any of that. And you always check for desktop computers. People put them under their desks, so you always got to be careful you don't spray under there or hit it with the machine. A lot of times in an office, you just go around things. You can't get too close to them.
Yeah, it's not as simple as a house.
Now he's going to go back in that room. I'm not going to try to video that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's got a pre-spray too. This came out pretty good. They said these carpets have been in place since the 70s. So they've kept up with them pretty good, but you can see some wear here and there. And the darker areas right now are just because we're wet the pre-spray. After he's cleaned it, it's letting it dry up completely. Now carpets like this sometimes take a little longer to dry than a residential carpet. So we usually have our carpets dry in about an hour. These may take 2 or 3 to dry. They dry a little bit more slowly. But it's still quick. You can imagine if you came in here with a wand, like a truck mount or a large portable, and you were having to drag a hose, or a big old thick hose around, and wand cleaning these, that you'd have tough times getting in some of these areas. But also that it could take a long time to dry and be really awkward dragging big thick hoses around. So this is a lot of times in offices you want to definitely do bonnet cleaning because of all the obstacles in your path. You can't drag anything past those files, for instance, because you'll tear them all loose. Yeah, this is too tight to video in, so. Anyway, work in progress. Alright, I'll get back in this little room. He's finished in here. Like I said, you just go around stuff. You can't get 100% of everything because of they have their stuff, they have their filing systems that they have to maintain. So work in progress. Alright, this room's finished. Everything's going to dry. We got one little section left and we've got customers now, so we may have to kind of slow down a little bit, but we'll do what we can. So stay tuned.
Huge YouTube channel, the biggest one in the world.
Well, we try to make a lot of Facebook videos so people can see the kind of work we do. Oh, you actually watched that?
I didn't watch all of it. I did while ago when I went outside.
We should give you a discount if you ever sit through a whole video. They're kind of boring. They're interesting if you're thinking about getting your carpets cleaned, but for anybody else, it's like, why is this on here?
Yeah, but you need to know how you
It shows the process.
It's better. Most of the time, people don't leave you reviews. They're like, oh, it looks great. I'll tell all my friends, and then they forget.
No, I was excited to leave a review. So,
Oh,
yeah.
well, good.
Yeah, I'll leave one.
So this is your testimonial, is your videos.
Oh,
You know.
okay. Well, you can flatly put it on there.
Well, we try to do, we're the only people in Brownwood who do this. Everyone else uses one of those fan extractors. And they soak your carpets. It takes hours to dry. They get the pad.
Yeah, because for my mother, it's horrible.
They can get under to the sun. They can get into the subfloor.
Yeah.
And if you got a wooden subfloor, it can actually ruin your subfloor.
Oh, I know.
This is safe, and this is aggressive. It thoroughly scrubs the fibers clean and absorbs all the dirt up into the bonnet. So we walk
Okay,
away.
I'm going to wrap the video up because we're just about done
That
here.
one guy that I was talking about,
Thanks for watching.